Welcome to AutoPulse. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ isn't just another SUV. It's already one of the most anticipated off-roaders in the world. But here's the twist. Its debut has been pushed back. Originally planned for late 2024, Toyota now says the global launch will happen in the first half of 2026. So why the delay? Reports point to production issues with the bigger Land Cruiser, 250, certification hurdles, and even international trade pressures slowing down manufacturing. But if anything, the wait has only made buyers more eager. When it finally hits showrooms, the compact FJ will arrive at a surprisingly affordable price, 26,600 to 30,000 yen in Japan, and about $35,000 in North America. Higher trims are expected to top out past $45,000, which undercuts the US Land Cruiser's $56,450 base price by a huge margin. Toyota is clearly positioning the FJ as the gateway to Land Cruiser ownership, rugged heritage at a price people can actually reach. And it looks the part. Toyota's teaser shows a boxy, muscular design inspired by the compact cruiser EV concept. Expect LED lights, high ground clearance, chunky tires, and a rear-mounted spare Pure Adventure DNA. At 177 inches long and 72 inches wide, it's bigger than the Ford Bronco Sport, but still smaller and more nimble than the full-size Land Cruiser. What really sets the FJ apart is its ladder frame platform, borrowed from the Hilux Champ pickup. That's a rare move for compact SUVs, which usually rely on softer unibody designs. With a Torsen limited slip differential and four-wheel drive likely standard, this is a real off-roader, not just an urban crossover in disguise. As for power, Toyota hasn't confirmed the lineup yet. Rumors point to a 2.7-liter four-cylinder with 161 horsepower, while global markets could see hybrid setups from the RAV4 or Prius, pushing output closer to 220 horsepower. With today's demand for efficiency, a hybrid FJ feels almost inevitable.